So I just sandblasted this cowl from a 1969 Chevy C10. I used that pressure washer sandblasting kit, and I just used the regular sand from a big box store. Nothing special. A few spots I missed, but I did front and the back. Back wasn't bad at all, but I just wanted to try it. I just wanted to get some little rust spots in the corners. I think just had a one coat of factory orange paint, maybe two coats, but took it out really quick. Probably spent no more than 10 minutes on both sides. I did go through about 50 pounds of sand, one bag. I did watch my other video. I tried a coal slag from Tractor Supply, the Black Diamond brand, and I did 3 hood hinges, and I used the rough grit, so it took some time, but this medium grit sand did awesome. Actually went very quick. It's the bag, quick read, medium sand. Shows 30 grit right there. It was $11 and some change at Lowe's. I ended up putting it in a bucket, but just use my regular 3000 psi 2.5 gallon pressure washer with this Amazon sandblasting kit for a pressure washer. Just a simple hose and a nozzle that goes in front of your pressure washer and uses water pressure and sand to just blast the paint off. Or I mean, this would be great to do concrete if you got stains in your concrete. I want to try if I don't have any oil leaks on my driveway, but it'll be nice to kind of try and see how it is. I did miss a few spots, very light ones. I can always DA and sand it off or whatever. So, but imagine if I sanded this with the DA and a wire brush or whatever. I mean, I'll be there at least an hour sanding this thing. But in 10 minutes, I mean, if you're restoring a car, old vehicle, classic, and you got a lot of room for it, does make a mess, goes everywhere. But if you got a large property and neighbors that not nearby you, or in a corner of your yard somewhere, you want to pressure wash and sandblast at the same time, I mean, it works really great. So this is awesome. Actually I'm gonna shave that antenna off. I don't need antenna on my classic cars anymore. But I mean, now all I gotta do is just weld that piece, do a little body work, and remove the rest of the little stuff that I miss. I can even hand sand it or DA, whatever I can do with the angle grinder, with the scuff pad or whatever, and throw some self-etching primer or DTM primer and let it sit till I'm ready to do a final primer and block and all that good stuff. But man, I'm gonna do my entire truck actually. 69 Chevy C10. I'm gonna do the frame, all the suspension. I'm gonna just blast the whole thing, and why sit there and sand all day long? This thing worked awesome. Definitely worth 32 bucks for this little hose that comes with this. It goes in your bag or a bucket where the sand is, and it's just from right there, quick connect to that piece right there, and comes with the extra nozzle. This nozzle still looks great, haven't worn down or anything. I mean, 3000 psi 2.5 gallon pressure washer, and good to go. I'm super impressed. I've never had luck with the dry sand blasting method, so this is my first time using the water pressure one or the pressure washer one, but this thing's amazing. How quickly it took it off. 10 minutes both sides. I can't complain. Alright guys, subscribe this video or to my channel, like this video, and I'll be posting a lot more videos, doing pressure wash, sandblasting, and restoring my truck, and paint and primer and body work and rust repairs, welding, doing suspension work. Alright guys, see you on the next week, on the next video.